Hi guys, welcome back. I apologize for not being here the last couple of days, or 2 days I guess it is. I have been quite busy, as you can see. So these are 6 journals. I actually have 10 or 11 that are going to be in my Etsy shop tonight. But I wanted to go ahead and show you these 6 because these are right ready to list. And so I will link these in the description box below. So let me just start by showing them to you. I'm not even going to try to name them. I'm just going to say number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, what have you. So let me tell you, this one is number 1. And I need to put a sticky note on it so that I will know how to list it, but it'll be okay. I can look back at the video. So this one will be number 1, and this all of them are fabric covered. I have done like the quilting on them. They all have a eyelet in the back. They have the elastic closure, and I tried to do like the beading that would match. Excuse me. So they're all in the folio style, and I tried to match the interior with, you know, how the outside is. They have, it's the Tennessee or Midori style inside, where you see you have the elastic on the inside. Do I have one that is not completed that I can show you? Yes, here we go. This one is one that's not completed, so you will be able to see what the inside looks like. They have the, it's 3 runs, but it's a total of 4 elastics. So you can put 4 little books in there, inserts in there, and you can piggyback or jump, and put even more. So this is how they look before the inserts are put in. So let me go ahead and, my bracelet's coming off. So let me show you. So they each have 4 inserts in there. And I have tried to match the cardstock that I covered the inserts with according to the colors of the outside of each little journal. So each one has like a daily notes. And it's 5 pages, so it's 10 pages folded. So let me see, how many days does that give you? I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it gives you 20. So it's got the daily, you know, the notes page. So that's in the first little insert. Then the second insert, same thing, it's 5 pages, so 10 pages folded. It is the daily planner. So it's like that. And then the third insert is the weekly schedule. And then the fourth insert is just blank. Now, that's what comes in these. Now these will hold, I think it's the 5x7 composition books. Or you can make your own inserts and put in them. I will start carrying the insides of the inserts so that you can purchase them. They will be very cheap. You can purchase whatever insert you want to stick into and print it. It'll be a digital. So those will be available in my shop probably starting this evening. But I included these 4 in each one just so that there would be something in it. So this one is number 1. And so it's just got the elastic closure. Now, I did reinforce my spines on each side just because I felt a little bit more comfortable with it being reinforced. So I did do that. But you can see it does have the stitching and the quilting like all the way around. So that's number 1. All right, number 2 is a very Victorian style cover to me. It's a yellow. It looks very vintage Victorian, yellow with those roses. And you can see again, I matched the little beading there. You know, and when you get this, you may notice that there's some things that need to be, you know, trimmed off, or, you know, my quilting may not be quite even, but that's part of it. As you can see, you know, like the frayed edges, I didn't bother to do anything with that. And so again, I matched the inside covers with, you know, what's on the outside. So, and again, it's the daily notes, then it's, well, it should have been the daily planner and then the weekly planner, but you get all of those, and then you get the blank one. And then I have the closure there that matches. So this one is number 2. Isn't that beautiful? And it's just, it's, for me, it's the perfect size. And I will measure the finished size if I can find my ruler. I don't know where my ruler is. There it is. Let me grab it. So when the folio is closed up, it is about 5 inches, and it can go a little wider without any problems. So see, you can do it a little, you can put something a little wider in there, but this one, it's like 5 inches by a little over 8.5. So it's a great size. So that one's number 2. Number 3 is another very Victorian vintage looking one. You can see the beautiful beading on it. It's like a pink and green. I love the inside there. And again, it's got the quilting. And once again, I tried to match the colors of the cardstock for the covers, you know, to match the outside. So that one's number 3. All right, number 4. I love number 4. I don't even know what you would, this is just very spring looking to me. It's like oranges and purples. And again, I matched the beading to the book. And open it up, and I've done a bright orange, and then you can see the covers of the inserts match the colors on the outside. And I didn't do anything to them other than put the inserts in, but you can junk journal these up. You can really embellish them. You can even put an insert in there that's an envelope and make this into an ephemera holder. You can use this cover for many different purposes. So don't just hold yourself back to what I have in there. There's so much you can use it for. You can put the envelopes in there and make it into ephemera holders. You can make it into where you file your different stuff. Very easy to do something like that. So that one was number 4. This one is number 5. It is a very shabby chic looking one to me. Again, there's the beading. The inside is the polka dots that match the outside. And once again, I just kind of played off of the colors that was on the outside, and it's those same inserts. So that one is number 5. It is so beautiful. I love it. And number 6 has to be my favorite. I love this one. It's greens and golds, browns, and again, the beading matches. Look at that inside, and then again, I've done the inserts to match the outside and the inside there. So it's the same thing. It's just got the beautiful beading, the quilting, and that one's number 6. So all of these will be available by the time this video uploads. These will all be listed in my Etsy. In addition to the journals, though, I will list the insides of the inserts. So what it would be would be a digital file that you would purchase, and it would have like one page that's like the daily notes, and then you would just print it however many times you want it, print it back double-sided, and then you would put whatever cover you want to put on it. So I will have a lot of those available. Those, and I'm only going to be listing them for like $1 or something like that, just enough to cover my cost, my listing fee, my selling transaction fee, what have you. So I'll figure that up, whatever that equals out to. I may add 25 cents on top of that, just so I'm making a little bit of a profit. And then that way you can fill your album or your journal cover however you want to fill it. So these are the 6 that will be available tonight. So let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you guys are interested in. I have some more material that I can make more, but these will be in my Etsy, and I will leave the link below. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.